welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making chocolate custard because I know Flavia loves chocolate and custard, so I was like, we're going to do both because also I wanted it too. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 600 milliliters of full cream milk, 50 grams of corn flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of good quality dark chocolate, 6 egg yolks, as you can see 2 have had a bit of a breakdown, I feel their pain, 50 grams of butter, and we're keeping this nice and icy cold in the fridge until we're ready to use it. I'm using regular salted butter here because it helps balance the sweetness of the custard. And about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of vanilla bean paste. So this is going to make a beautiful, thick and hearty custard, and I'm so excited. Let's get started. First, what we're going to do is heat up our full cream milk and vanilla bean paste in a saucepan on a low to medium heat for a couple of minutes. While the milk is heating up, in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our egg yolks, caster sugar and corn flour. You will need to whisk this for a few minutes until it lightens in colour and becomes nice and fluffy. As you can see, this is still quite yellow. This is what we're looking for. As you can see, nice and airy and fluffy. Then add a few tablespoons of the hot milk to the egg mixture and whisk it together. This helps to temper the egg mixture so it does not cook the eggs. Then we're going to add this mixture back into the saucepan and put it back onto a low to medium heat and continue to whisk it for a few minutes until it becomes nice and thick. This should take between 3 to 5 minutes. While the custard is heating up, melt your dark chocolate. I'm doing this in the microwave, you can also do this on the stove. And I'm melting it in 30-second bursts, stirring in between to make sure my chocolate doesn't burn.
It's not the first time you've done that, either.
When your custard is nice and thick, we're going to strain it through a sieve into a mixing bowl. Of course you can skip this step, but it ensures that it's silky smooth. Then you're going to add your warm melted chocolate and fold it in. Then you're going to add your cold butter and whisk it in again, and look how beautiful and silky it is. It's just delicious. So Flavs and I are probably going to eat this straight out of the bowl because yum and we don't want to wait. But you could also serve it into these really cute little glasses here. I think it looks really cute. Top it up with some whipped cream and some berries, adorable. Or you could put it into a little trifle bowl like this, or just into a nice serving clear glass bowl and let everyone scoop it out themselves. Whatever you want to do. We're trying to be a bit fancy, so let's put it into these. Why not? Now, of course, you can just spoon these into the glasses, but it usually gets stuck on the side, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is to make it a little bit fancy, because sometimes we're going to be fancy. Not a lot of the time, but sometimes you can just get a piping bag, or in my case, a very fancy Ziploc bag. Place the custard in, and then we're going to pipe it in, making sure it doesn't get on the sides and nice and smooth. A little trick I like to use when putting anything into a piping bag is to first put the bag into a mug or a tall container, so then I can easily pour the mixture into it like so. Then we're going to pipe the chocolate custard into our serving bowls, and you can serve this as it is nice and warm, or keep in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours if you want to serve it cold. Then I'm going to top my custard off with a bit of whipped cream and add some extra chocolate shavings and serve it straight away. It looks so pretty. I hope you like it. Okay guys, so that's how you make my chocolate custard. It's so quick and simple, but people will think it took you hours to make. It never does, it's terrific. But yes, I'm really excited. I know Flavia's excited, so let's eat. Because I don't think you've had my chocolate custard before.
I'm actually like beyond excited. Beyond.
Oh, it's still a bit, all the cream's melting a little bit. I'm very excited.
Oh yeah.
So I love making this, so I hope you like it too.
Okay, I take both.
No.
Both for me.
No.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, so she needs a moment with... Oh, she's actually leaving. So she needs a moment. Fine. Just lick the bowl. Bye. You don't get to lick the bowl. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.